Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what I did today. So guys, yes, today is 11th of November and now we shall check the pre-open market and see how the market is opening today. So yes, the market is opening at 12,680. Okay, so that is 0.39% up, and advances stocks are 40, declines are 4 and unchanged are 6. So let's check out the stocks which are opening in the gap up section. That is Cipla with 1.35% up, Kotak Bank with 1.20% up, and SDFC Life with 1.20% up. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap down section. So Power Grid with 1.08% down, and UPL with 0.88% down, and Axis Bank with 0.64% down. So guys, just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So guys, I have selected ITC to trade today. So not yet taken any entry. So once I take an entry towards a buy or sell entry, I'll update you guys. So right now the market is 0.80% up almost, and this stock is at 180.7050. So once I take a buy or sell entry, I'll update you guys. So not yet taken any trades yet. So I'll update you guys once I take any trade. So guys, right now I've taken a buy entry around 181. Okay, so we'll see if the stock can go around 182. So 0.5% target is where I'll be targeting. Okay, so we'll see how this will perform. So right now I'm in a buy side of ITC. So guys, yes, ITC is taking a lot of time, if you guys can see here. So 181.60. Okay, so let me switch to 15 minutes candle chart. And yes, it is taking a lot of time to go till 182, because the sellers are more now, but the stock has potential to go up. So that's the reason why I bought it. So we'll see. Still at the high made is 181.60 as of now. So waiting for 182 to touch. So we'll see how it will perform. So 181.3540 as of now. So if you guys can see, it was still fluctuating around 181.40 and 35 till now, because I think there is some resistance level out there. So that's the reason it is happening like that. And yes, 181.50 touch now. So yeah, we'll wait. We'll see how this will perform. So we are still in a buy side of ITC, and it is taking much time. So anyway, we'll see. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, it passed 182. Okay, so it did take some of the time to go up till here. Yeah, even if it's a 1 rupee movement, the stock took a lot of time here, but anyway we hit the target. Okay, so guys, this was the profit what I was able to book today in today's trade of ITC. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you guys how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading like this. Okay, so anyway, the target has been done for today on ITC. So as we predicted, so it went up. Okay, so the stock did perform, and we got our target done. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of this feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be telling you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also, you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also, every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.